If you want to boost your carbon loan limits fast, just follow these simple steps. Step 1, make sure you upgrade your KYC level to level 3. All you have to do is head to your account on your home page and complete your verification level up to level 3. You need to upload your BVN, upload your valid government ID, take a clear selfie, and a recent utility bill. Full verification instantly increases your borrowing eligibility and overall transaction limits. Secondly, pay off existing loans on time or early. If you have an existing loan, you have to pay it up. Third thing is, make Carbon your primary transaction hub. You need to use the Carbon wallet for daily transaction, pay your utility bills, buy airtime, and make bank transfer directly through the app. So frequent account activity proves your financial liquidity, and it builds trust with their automated risk system. And the fourth thing is, you need to maintain a wallet balance and use Carbon savings. Keep cash in your Carbon wallet or put a small amount into your savings options like your Payvest. So you have to maintain an active account balance and save regularly. So it gives a signal for financial stability. It prompts Carbon to offer higher loan caps and lower your interest rates. And lastly, you need to request for incremental loan amount. You need to avoid jumping straight to maximum figures. If you have a short credit history, just take moderate loans, repay them quickly, and let the system steadily scale up your maximum limits over time.